YouTube video. Today we are going to start a new unit, articles. We are going to start new unit, articles. Articles, we know there are only three articles in the whole grammar, in the whole word, that is a and the. There are three articles in the grammar, a and the. But when to use a article, when to use an article, and when to use the article, we should know about this. Actually, article comes along with noun. Article always come along with noun. That means the table, a book, a pencil, and eggs. Like these words, before the noun we use article. Before the noun we use article. So when to use a article, when to use an article, and when to use the article. We should know this first. So when to use a article? We use a article before a singular countable noun which begin with the consonant. Which begin with the consonant. That means there are 5 vowels. Vowels I write here: A, E, I, O and U. These are 5 vowels and rest of the letters are consonants. Rest of the letters are consonant. These 5 of the vowels and other letters are the consonant. When the words begin with consonant, that time we use a article. That time we use a article. That means a table. Example I am writing here. A table, a book, a class, a door, a window, a man, like that. Now these all words are begin with the consonant. If you can see here, T is the consonant. Rest of the A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, but instead of that, apart from this vowel, other letters are the consonants. Other letters are the consonant. So if the words begin with consonant, if the singular countable noun begin with consonant, that time we use a article. That time we use a article. That means here the table, this word singular countable noun. This is the singular countable noun beginning with T consonant. So that's why we put here a table, a book. This B is also consonant. This C is also consonant. That's why what we are putting before this noun: a table, a book, a class, a door. D is also consonant. M is also consonant. That's why we are writing here a door, a map. That means when we use a article, we use a article when the singular countable noun begin with this. All are the singular. Book, table. I haven't write here tables or books. It can be the plural, but singular countable noun begin with consonant. That time only we use a article. Examples also I have written here. Now let's see when to use an article. When to use an article. It is little bit same, but the difference is there, consonant and vowel. Only one main difference is there. When the word begin with consonant, that time we use a article, and when the singular countable noun, begin with the vowels, that time we use an article. That time we use an article. And how many vowels are there? There are 5 main vowels: A, E, vowels, that time we use an article. That time we use an article. For example, an egg, an apple, excitement, and intelligent. Now see here, these all words are begin with the vowels, and the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. When the words begin with vowel, when the singular countable noun begin with vowel, that time we use an article. That time we use an article. So, an E. Here this E is vowel. E is vowel, that's why we put before the noun an article. Here A is also vowel, apple. A is also vowel, that's why before the noun what we use here? We use here an article. Now here also the excitement, this word is also beginning with the vowel. This word is also beginning with the vowels. E vowel is there, that's why before this excitement word what we put there, we use an article. Now here also intelligent, before the intelligent word also we use an article, because this intelligent word is beginning with I. Intelligent word is beginning with I, that's why we use an article. So when to use an article? We use an article before the singular countable noun, before the singular countable noun which begin with the vowel, that time we use an article. That time we use an article, and there are 5 main vowels: A, E, I, O, U. These 5 main vowels are there, and when the words begin with this vowel, that time we use an article. Now the main thing is there, this A and an. A and an, these two articles are indefinite article. These two are indefinite article. A and these both are indefinite article. So I hope student you got this way to use a article before singular countable noun which begin with the consonant, that time we use a article, and we use an article when the singular countable noun begin with vowels, that time we use an article. With example also we have seen, here also we took the example and here also we took the examples, and these both are indefinite article. These both are indefinite article. Now this, what about the? Now when to use the article? When to use the article? We use the article. The is definite article. The is, first you should know, this a and an, these both are indefinite article. This a and an are indefinite article. Only the is the definite article. The is definite article, and we use it when the reader or listener, both know the noun that is being referred. That means when the reader and listener, that means if I am reading and you are listening, I am teaching and you are listening, that means you and me, we both know about the things, we are sure about the things, we are confirm about the thing, at that time we use the article. For example, if I am talking about this book, this is the GE book. This is your GE book. I also know this is the GE book, and you also know this is your GE book. If I am talking about the GE book, so the reader is also know about the GE book, and you are also having the GE book, so you also know about the GE book. We both are confirmed, we both are sure that we are having GE book. So before the GE book, what we use, which article we use? The GE book. The GE book. We cannot use here a or an. We use here the, because we both know, we both are sure about the GE book. The things or the place which we know already, we know about that, we are confirmed about that, so that time we use the article. That time we use the article. So this the is, that's why the is calling as definite article. That's why the is calling as a definite article, because if the person, I and you, if we both are, the reader and listener, both know about the things which they are talking about, they both are sure about the things, they both are confirmed about the thing, they are familiar to that thing, that time we use the article. That time we use the article. Now, where can we use the article? Now, we know when to use the article, when the listener and the reader, that means I and you, we both know about the things, if we both know about the place which know already and we are familiar about the things, that time we use the article, and the is definite article. Now, where can we use the article? Where can we use the article? We use the article before proper noun. We use the article before proper noun. It can be the singular also and plural also. We have seen before this a, we use a and an article before the singular countable noun only. Before the singular countable noun only, but we use the article before the proper noun, which can be the singular and plural also. Which can be the singular and plural also. So that time we use the article. When we use the before the proper noun, it can be the singular and plural also. That time we use the article. So there are some things where we can use directly the article. Like before the name of the monuments, monuments are the Taj Mahal, the Bibi Ka Maqbara, these are the famous buildings, the Qutub Minar, these are the famous monuments. Everyone know that monument. So before the name of the monuments, and it has a proper noun. Taj Mahal, it is the proper noun. Lots of buildings are there, but some particular name is there, so it is the proper noun. So before the proper noun, we use the article. It can be the singular and plural also. So where we can use the article? We can use the article before the name of the monuments. Before the name of the monuments, we can write the article. We can write the article. Now, when we use the article, we use the article before the, when the reader or listener both know about the things, they both are the confirmed, they both are the sure about the thing, the listener and reader, they both are the familiar about the things, that time we use the article. Now, where can we use the article? We can use the article before the proper noun. We use the article before the proper noun, like before some monument's name, newspapers name, before the mountains, the Himalaya, the Satpura hill. Holy books means the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Before the holy books also we use the article. Direction, there are four main directions: the east, the west, the north, the south. Before the direction, before the river name, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Narmada. Before the sea, Pacific Ocean, Arabian Sea. And some magazines are there. Before the magazines name, and some titles, and before some family name also we use the article. So, and the article is the definite article. That means if we know about the things, if we are sure about the things, we are familiar about the thing, so before that thing we use the article. We use the article. Now I give you 5 to 6 minutes to note down this all. You just note down this all in your notebook. You understood, you got when to use a, and the article. When to use a, and the article. A and are the indefinite article and the is the definite article. Now the focus exercise is there. We have to use a, and or the article to complete the paragraph. There is one paragraph and we have to complete it with appropriate articles. So I just rub this. Now fill in the blanks with a, and or the, and complete the paragraph. The first sentence is once upon blank space time there was there was blank space magician in Egypt. He had blank space magic lamp, and he could see everything in blank space, in whole world in that lamp, whole world in that lamp. That means there was a magician and he had a lamp, and in that lamp he can see the whole world. He was the magician. So the blank spaces are there. We have to write the appropriate article a and or the. So once upon a time, a will come here. There was the magician in Egypt. That means that was the famous magician which everyone know it. So the magician, he had a magic lamp. He had a magic lamp and he could see everything in the whole world in that lamp. So which article we use here? The. Each star in the sky in the sky and every creature buried in blank space earth. So each star in the sky and every creature buried in the earth. Why we are writing here the? Because earth, everyone is familiar about the earth. That's why we use here the article. Once he saw blank space hermit, and he began to brag to him. So once he saw a hermit, what will come here? A hermit, and he began to brag to him. I am blank space greatest magician. I am greatest magician, he said. I can see anything, anywhere. I can see anything, anywhere. So what? There was one magician and he was having the lamp, and in that lamp he can see the whole world. Then once there he saw a hermit, and he began to brag to hermit that I am the, what will come here? I am the greatest magician. I can see anything, anywhere. Now hermit is saying, who are you? Hermit is saying, who are you? What can you see? What can you see? Who is saying this all? Now, who are you? What can you see? Hermit is saying here. Blank space, hermit. So, which article will come here? The hermit. The magician asked, told to hermit, I am the greatest magician and I can see anything anywhere. Now the hermit is asking, who are you? What can you see? The hermit asked. The hermit smiled. The hermit smiled. I can see people's heart, he said. I can see people's heart, he said. Now what magician said? I can see the people heart. That means what the people are thinking. He can see that. I can see that you have nothing. I can see that you have nothing, but pride in your heart. So the hermit is asking, who are you? What can you see? And he smiled. So the magician is saying, I can see the people's hearts. I can see that you have nothing but pride in your heart. So the two sentences are there again. I hope you have written this upper one, so I am just rubbing this. You also have to write with me in your notebook. Blank space, magic lamp. Magic lamp doesn't show you your ignorance. You cannot be again blank space, greatest magician. Now what hermit is saying? Magic lamp doesn't show you your ignorance. You cannot be greatest magician. So what will come here? The magic lamp doesn't show you your ignorance. You cannot be the greatest. You cannot be the greatest magician. You cannot be the greatest magician. Now again blank space is there. Magician realized his mistake. Realized his mistake. He never bragged about his lamp again. His lamp again. So, what will come here? The magician realized his mistake and he never bragged about his lamp again. So, you just have to note down this all the whole paragraph in your notebook. Here, we just explained today 3 articles A and the what is their meaning and when to use it and where can we use that articles. Now the focus exercise also we have completed just right now. We'll see in our next video practice and extension exercise. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.